Hi everyone, Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com doing the random number block randomizer that'll unlock Playbook Pick Your Team 13. Featuring 11 teams here. And here's how the number block works. I think everybody here understands it. Big thanks to this group for making it happen. There are the numbers right there. Let's roll it. Let's randomize names and numbers, 5 and a 3, 8 times each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. David down to Jeremy. 5 and a 3, 8 times for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Got 1 down to 6 after 8. All right, David with 1, Jeremy with 7, Ed with 4, Denise with 2, Jeremy with 8, 9, and 3, and 5. David with 0, and Jeremy with 6. Let's sort by number. Remember, this involves these teams right here. There you go. We'll see you in the next video for the break itself, JaspysCaseBreaks.com.